welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a follow me around Locke Park video slash car, what is it called? Lamborghini Reventon. The car that I got my husband for his 30th birthday. So we've put them out and bent the legs into the thing so that it oh, why can't I ever think? So that it does car cam. Oh God. At some point some children did come near the car cam, if you like. So what I'm going to do for the privacy of those children, because they might not have been aware that there was a camera on it, and I don't think it's fair to have you know, their faces in the video without their parents' permission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to either somehow blur it out, we'll see when I go to edit this video, or put like stickers of some sort over their face, but I'll sort that out. But I just wanted to explain why I've done that, and that it's just for safety of those kids, I suppose, and for their privacy. So I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you enjoy following me around, well, us around the park, and footage of the Lambo remote control car and the car cam. So I'll see you after the video. I suppose that's one way to test it out, isn't it?
See how far I can get as well.
Yeah.
Go on, how far do you reckon?
I can't really see because it's on, but it's going.
Far.
It's gone! You please be a 30th birthday present.
Yeah. Some doggy coming.
Keep an eye on it then if dogs come in.
Oh! Kinda wish I could choose the rock crawler now.
Why?
For.
I said to you should have got rock crawler, but it's your present. Is it stuck now? It's just stuck on that little bit, innit? Whereas the rock crawler can go over hills and stuff.
Could go up a hill.
Mm.
Could buy off-road wheels for this. Off-road Lambo.
Off-road Lambo.
He actually is though.
It's quite a nice day really, isn't it? Can you reverse in?
Yeah.
Mind the dogs.
You might need a clean after.
We'll probably will. Go little car, go! You never know, you might get a rock crawler as well at some point. Go on little car!
I'd want to race them both.
That would be fun. It'll not work out mode. Nice bum.
Muddy.
It will be, you've just put it on mud, you dill.
There's another dog coming, I'm going to stop.
Just to be on the safe side.
But
what?
impressive.
It's impressive.
Damage.
No!
Only a little bit.
sort my sleeves out.
Yeah, there's 4 dogs about.
Yeah, you want to be
5
careful around dogs. Just going to zoom in on the...
Bandstand.
Yeah.
So it does go far then on its own. But I bet that rock crawler managed to get up that.
It probably would. So that might be on next agenda. Look at it in the sunlight. What's this tree doing, Dan? Is it stuck?
No, it went over there.
A bit of a... It's doing well though. Can it get out of that though? No.
Don't kick it. Use your hand.
I'm going to tip it with my foot. There you go.
You have to tag Ash into it and say this is the car that she got me.
I will do. I'll make him watch it. I bet it can't go on grass. Joggers. What's all this tree about then?
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
What? Just leave it.
It got over that bit. It's not too bad then, is it? I guess that bit of tree is that dog's now. Mind, because of that dog. You having a minute? Hi. I wonder if that tree's fell down then. Or is it being chopped? Enjoying your little self? Alright. Yeah, go on then. If it got me, but
No, man. Video as well. Yeah, push video. Crap.
it's stuck. Oh, hang on, mine is
What? You've got a Lamborghini.
enjoy playing with your car at park? Yeah.
I'm hungry now though.
You're hungry now, you've just eaten.
It's because I've ran the car.
Yeah, to make sure nobody got it. Oh, no dogs.
I don't know which way to go because it spits out rankings, don't we?
I'm just gonna pop. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, please comment down below, and please subscribe if you're new to the channel. I'll see you again soon. Bye!